Today,
mad move.
I'm going to try and heat up this patty with an iron. Oi! Season 6!
Jeez.
Oi! Welcome to Cook and Vibe. Hey Ringo, they think it was a joke. They think that this thing is a joke. They think it's a joke. They thought I was ironing t-shirt. Hey, do me a favour. Dash that. Dash that!
Junior, hold this from there, please.
Yeah, here what I want. I'm a patty there. Today,
mad move.
I'm going to try and heat up this patty with an iron.
Iron turn on.
The iron's on, the iron's on. This is my pot. See, then start steam up.
And this is the patty.
Yeah?
See, they in the packet.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm sorry I couldn't get a better type of patty. I don't really like these patties here. And I tell you the truth, Ireland Delight, not feeling it. You get me Port Royal, big up yourself. But we didn't have time. So yeah, that's our cooker. Right?
And this is our oven.
And that's our oven. And that is our patty. So I think we should try and turn that up.
This bit.
So, alright people. So I'm going to try and heat this up with iron. Try and cook this patty with iron. Remember, this can go in the microwave for a minute. And that's what I'm preheating. So all we got to do is get the inside of this hot. Yeah, before...
So we are using the steam?
I think we should steam it a bit.
Look at steam.
If we steam it up.
It might stick.
We've done this before, right? Me and Connect 4 have done this before on a car bonnet. And it worked. If you ain't seen that, go check out Patty Cooked on a Car Bonnet. But now, this is 24-hour kitchen, Ringo Vision. So make sure you go over to Ringo Vision, subscribe, like, comment and share, and all that good stuff. And make sure you're subscribed and you press the like button. See you. Ready up! Where's it? Mom, ready!
Alright.
Okay,
Yeah,
so,
man.
what do you reckon? Do you reckon we're ready to go?
Yeah, fully.
Alright, so watch it.
Yeah, man.
Is that what you-
Warm up the oven, man. Yeah.
Wow, the oven,
Yeah,
isn't it?
warm up the oven. Yeah.
Alright, watch it.
See it there? A mad move. Mad move.
Hey! Listen.
Then come in here and come and sit. Cause most can see look sizzling.
Yeah? Oh, it's getting stuck. Oh, it's getting stuck. We don't want it to get stuck. Alright.
See, that's when the steam come in. Yeah, but you see,
Leave it up.
It'll cook fast.
Look, give me.
Mad thing.
It's cooking. It's
mad.
definitely cooking. I don't care about the patty sticking right now because I don't think we're gonna get it done unless we hold it on it. Like
Yeah, unless it's thick.
You get me? So what I'm gonna do, people, is I'm gonna give it a little minute or two on this side. Oh, look, it's
A cookie patty, a cookie.
Right,
Unless it's
this side.
flake.
Stuff up that. And that's supposed to not stick again.
Let me see if I... You can smell it.
Can you?
You can smell it. Smell it. Stank.
Oh, you can smell it! It's cooking! Oh, it's cooking! Oh, stick now, so we just
Yeah,
man, we're
I don't
done.
think it's a bake, it's a bake.
It's a, we're bake, iron bake. Don't name iron bake.
Iron bake patty. Mad thing. Yeah, now this one is big.
Yeah. So you know this season, right? Alright, this season, what I'm trying to give them this season, Ringo, I'm trying to give them the craziness,
Yeah.
but with some authentic Jamaican meals. So you're gonna get some really, really authentic Jamaican food, but you're also gonna get some madness.
Yeah, man, it's a vibes.
Yeah.
People, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and go check out the Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision people, yeah? Alright.
You gotta get the edge then.
No, it's proper smelling like it's in oven. It's in the oven.
That is smelling.
It's in the oven.
Like, alright, the steam that's
Yeah.
coming off.
Yeah.
Come
and turn it over and
See,
do that.
that's it, Ben. Watch it. Oh, it's cooking.
Come to the other side.
Oh, it's cooking. Alright, yeah.
Mad.
Is it? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I've just realised. Do you know why this is going to be better? Do you know why? No. Do you know why this is going to be better than a microwave?
Go on.
It's gonna have the flakiness.
It's flaky.
It's gonna, you
You're
understand?
gonna see some of this. Look. Crispy.
The crispy, yeah.
It's actually crispy still. I'm not gonna lie. It's crispy. It's flake. And look at the grease.
Yeah, that work, man. Listen. Watch. Ready, people? Ready? Season 6! Cook that cook, man.
You have to make the people know what temperature you have the oven pan and make them know so the oven was on. Yeah, the oven. We can't turn up the oven, we can't turn up the oven because make the people know so you have the oven and proper.
Right now we're on full blast. No, we ain't.
You just reach pan full blast, you know.
Just
The temperature can't go up, no, because you know, say, yeah, we done now. Because this is a new oven, you know. Yeah, and it's a new one, so we have to get how to use it. I like him.
That's it.
You see, next time we use the oven, yeah?
Let's get this side.
Do you know what? You know what I was thinking?
Go on.
I was thinking, yeah.
You can see it. It's a cook, man. I mean. What are you thinking?
Imagine if man had 2-3 irons, yeah? Because look, one of them is sit across it.
Yeah.
That's heat going down, yeah?
Yeah.
I was thinking, right, imagine man put a little bit of water.
Yeah.
Cut up the thing then. You see, you make an eye tell
We can steam it.
Cook something. Cook something. You know, make
Alright, let's do that on your channel.
Cook something, well, and make it. Yeah, understand?
Next time we're gonna do that on Ringo Vision. Yeah. Everything. Still a cook, man.
Still a cook, man.
Look closely and hear that sizzle. Any means necessary. Look, imagine this, yeah. You're moving to your new house.
Just reaching there.
Just reaching there.
You don't have no microwave, you don't have no oven, you just have this oven.
Mrs. says, I'm hungry. You got 2 patties in the fridge. What are you gonna do? Iron!
Smells lovely.
Yeah?
Smells banging.
It smells good.
That is nice.
Mad thing.
Occasions.
I don't know how hygienic this would be, but I mean, it's only iron clothes, isn't it? I mean, but, do you know what I mean? My belly's like a bin anyway, bro. Do you know any dirty chicken shops I bet in London? Ah, mate, someone in a can't reach me in a minute. No, man, someone in a can't reach me in a. Yo. So yeah, Ringo's taking over in the oven at the moment. Hear that? 24-hour kitchen. It's the tropical fruit section. Oh, where you get that fruit there from? Oi, people, welcome to the new section. Yeah, brand new section. I thought, you know what? New season, new section. Makes sense. Do you know what I mean? I was going to do the whole brain food and the news thing, but I thought, you know what? It's just too much hassle. Do you know what I'm saying? So we're just going to stick with the tropical fruit. And we're going to start off, because this is going to be every week. Every single week you're going to get this segment. Just like the big up section. Well, saying that, we're only going to get this once a week. You're going to get the big up section every single episode. But this, you're going to get this every week. Once a week. So we're going to start off this week. And we're going to start off small, because we're going to build up. You know what I mean? Tropical fruit. So there's loads of fruits out there from all around the world. So we're going to start small and go up the scale. Do you know what I'm saying? So today we are going to start with what looks like just a normal orange, but it isn't. This, people, is actually a blood orange. So as you can see, people, we cut this and open it up. Look at that. Lovely and nice. Look at that colour. Amazing. Blood orange. Yeah? Wow. So, we're going to taste it and give you some facts about the blood orange. Oi, oi. Tropical fruits. You might not have never seen a blood orange before. Do you know what I'm saying? So I thought I'll start. Do you know what I'm saying? So let's give it a taste before we go into the facts. First of all, very, very juicy. And the flesh is a little bit more softer. Really nice. I love oranges anyway. So, it's good. It's been a long day filming. Anyway, so, right. They come from Spain, Mediterranean. These blood oranges, that's where they come from. And they're high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. And it's good, they're good for weight loss as well. You know what I'm saying? So there you have it, people. Tropical fruit section. You know, where you get that fruit there from? Mediterranean. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, blood orange. See it there? Why?
Come here, Ben. Come. You see it?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you see it? I have to do it again, man. Make people know that the thing really a cook and a joke thing, people. Yeah, man, a cook and vibes, man. With a cook and vibes, man.
Bro, I don't think this is gonna work, you know, Ringo.
No, it works, man. It
It's
works.
gonna work, bro.
It works.
As I'm thinking about it, I'll tell you the truth, yeah, because we filmed another episode today. I'm gonna tell you what one it is, because we don't know when we're releasing what. But just know, this was like, I said, like, I'm gonna do this. And my whole time, I was thinking, bro, this might not actually work, bro. Like, iron, a patty.
No, it's a vibe.
Really?
No, but you have to make the people know, say, like, because remember you tell them, say, you couldn't get the patty that we wanted to get.
Yeah.
So, how was the journey? We have to drive around to go and look for a
To
patty.
find a patty, because where I live, it ain't so easy to get. That's why we ain't got no Port Royal. But if I thought about it, then I would have contacted Port Royal and said, send a couple patties.
Yeah, vibes.
But, you know, we just do
And I
it.
send to oven as well.
Yeah, so we ain't got no oven at the moment. We're using an iron, bro. Help us out. Listen, people. Do you know what? As we're doing this, right? I want to talk to the people.
Ember.
A serious thing more I talk about tonight.
Ember, this a mad thing, you know. That's a mad thing, you know.
Wow. So it still needs heating up more, though. While that's heating up, right? More. I want to talk about something really serious. Yeah, really serious. Now, the reason why I've never said nothing like this before, because I don't want it to come across the wrong way. So I really want this to come across the right way. So people, alright, everybody's asking, yo, when you going back to Jamaica? When you going to see Russ Muffle? Yo, they want. Yo, that's what they want and that's what they need. This is what the channels need. We need to go back to Jamaica. People, it is not cheap. You know, if it was that easy, I would have just went there. I'm not rich. Do you know what I mean? This YouTube is not paying me wholly for money. To be honest with you, what it pays me, I spend back in ingredients. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna start like a kind of like a fund meeting. Yeah, like a go fund. Just for anyone to just do anything you possibly can. Obviously, we're gonna contribute to it as well. Any money I get paid from YouTube is just gonna go straight into it. And just build up a fund to go back to Jamaica. Yeah, so, alright, so...
Hey people, I'm telling you no iron patty, no.
Yeah, I have to, it's called combined, I have to. You don't have a choice. You know what's there? This is what it is. Once you step into this, there's no going back. But listen, what I was talking about, well on there, Carl, a serious thing more I'm finished talking about. So you have to go over to RINGO Vision because we need to get him monetized. Yes. The main thing right now is subscribe and watch hours. He needs them watch hours, people. So just go through the old catalogue. You understand? And we're gonna start the GoFundMe thing. If we haven't started it already by now, we're gonna start it. And yes, let's do this. Let's go back to Jamaica. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pay for my own flight and he's gonna pay for his own flight. But what we need, people, is money to pay. Everything costs money going everywhere, and the more money we got, the more spectacular we can do it. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, back to the cooking. What it's season 6. It's cook and vibe. You get me? RINGO Vision, 24-hour kitchen. Ross is here. Junior's there. And Ben is with the camera.
He's working hard,
You
mate.
understand?
He's done a busy day, but we've had good lunch.
Yeah.
Jerk shrimp.
So yeah, all right. Oi! Give it, go on. Oi! Oi!
Them think I joke.
Oi! Ringo, I'm gonna be honest, yeah? I reckon this is done. People?
Ain't gonna put on the plate. Wait.
Yeah, get a plate. People? Look at that! Oh, it looks better than it does in the microwave, bro. I'm telling you, that looks better than it does in the microwave. See, when you put it in the microwave, it looks all soggy. Look at that. Flaky. Nice. patty cooked with an iron. All right, let's see if it's actually cooked inside.
Mad.
Oh my days. Why? Why? Yeah, that's piping hot. That's definitely cooked, bro. That's definitely cooked. Where's it? I don't know where he's going.
Yes.
I don't know where he's going.
Yeah, so I'm
Patty
patty.
first come, first serve.
Yeah,
That's
listen.
mad.
Just know.
Ironed out, bro.
Just know. No one ain't getting out of it. Yeah. That's it, Ben. Get that. Yeah. That's it. That's for you, my bro. Yeah, you gotta try it as well. Ringo, yeah, a little piece there. Alright, here we are. Let's go. Patty cooked on the iron. Definitely cooked. 100% cooked.
Yeah.
Patty. But,
No, it's why.
excuse my language. Not really nice patty.
Junior, want some patty?
Pre-cooked.
There you go.
Mad move people.
What do you think it could happen? 100% cooked. I'm gonna be honest. Even though it's not my preferred patty, it's definitely nice. Do you know what I mean? And I do think that is better than the microwave.
Yeah, nah. Yeah.
Honestly,
Mad thing. Mad thing.
forget the microwave.
You know, so
Use your iron.
24-hour kitchen people. Cook on guys. Yeah. A mad thing.
Yeah! So you know how your thing goes, another one.
Yeah, man. It's in the
Another
bag.
success. Oi!
Oi!
You know what I'm saying? See you soon. I love you, lot. Oi.
Mud meat.
24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision. 2022. Tie up your show.
Show!
You know what time it is, yeah? Cook and vibe.
Oi.
Oi, oi.